Today we've got quite a project here. So I did the hard part off camera just because it would have been very boring to watch and it wasn't fun, but I did get it done and I figured out how to mount it. That was another hard part because the box that I actually got with this call station right here from Jason, it was modified, so I could not mount this onto it. But I've got this wired in already to my main power supply, my main line. So I'm going to be mounting the lantern that came with it up here. And this is the guts for it right here. It's got that bell, that beautiful Westinghouse bell. And here's the lantern. It's actually really cool looking. Never seen one like this before. So yeah, going to drill through this wall and then mount this to the bottom of the top shelf. So let's get going. Alrighty, so we are done, and after I've done the part of the project that no one likes to do, clean up, this is what we've got. So the call button's mounted right here with the board like I showed earlier, and I printed this out, and this took a long time to print, as I'm sure you probably imagine, those of you 3D printer gurus out there. And y'all looked a little upset about these wires, so I went ahead and hammered that into there to hold it up, just so it wouldn't bother y'all again. And don't worry, the light is not going to melt the wires. But the hall station is there, and the lantern is up here. And I moved the hot lantern over a little bit. But yeah. This looks really cool, and I think y'all are going to like this. So let's go. Yep, lights up green. That I had to shove a color filter in there that I just happened to have from the Palacio del Rio. And by the way, this is also from the Palacio. So are these, and this, and that. This is a $300 part right here. And all that stuff is from Palacio as well. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this project. It was a lot of fun, and I'm really happy with how it came out. So let me know what else you guys want to see me add to my display here, because I'm always open to new ideas. And yeah, that is going to be it. I am going to go jam out on my bass. I will talk to y'all real soon.
Can this feeling that we